In this video, I'm going to show you how to backup QuickBooks Online to a flash drive. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to sign into your QuickBooks Online, and then you want to click on this gear icon at the top right, and then you want to click on Export Data. Once you do this, over here you'll see reports and lists, and then of course you can select whatever one you want, and then here you can see the pre-selected data ranges. Now you can either do all dates, custom, last calendar quarter, this year to date, or last year, so you can do whatever you want. For this instance, I'm going to do this year to date, and then here there's going to be the start and the end date, and then you can just enable, of course, whatever you want to export. Once you're ready and once you want to export, click on Export to Excel over here, and then as you can see, this is going to get exported, and you can just click on OK. Now from there on, what you're going to have to do, you will have to essentially just plug in the USB flash drive into your computer, and then you want to go to your Downloads tab over here, as you can see inside your File Explorer, and you'll be able to see this zipped folder over here. What I would recommend is actually unzipping it by right-clicking it and clicking Extract All, and then Extract, and then you'll see a folder that has no zipper on it. Simply double click that, and there's your exported data over here. What you're going to want to do is basically then just place that folder and put it onto your USB flash drive, which should be over here on the left in case you've successfully plugged it into your computer. So just hold it like this and then drag it in there, release your mouse key, and then you are good to go, and you've successfully essentially exported and backed up your QuickBooks Online onto a flash drive. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.